This is a Civil Defense message for Friday, August 3rd at 6 in the morning. Hawaiian Volcano Observatory reports Fissure 8 continues to erupt lava with spillovers of the flow channel last evening on the north side in an undeveloped area and near Green Mountain. Earthquakes continue at the Kilauea Summit. The following guidelines remain in effect. Check all utility connections of water, gas, and electricity for potential damage from earthquake activity. Do not access the active flow field due to the extreme hazard of overflows and other breakouts. The ocean entry continues to produce a laze plume. Stay out of the plume to avoid exposure to hydrochloric acid and glass particles, which can irritate the skin, eyes, and lungs. Disaster assistance is available island-wide to individuals and businesses in Hawaii County that have been affected by the Kilauea eruption. The Disaster Recovery Center is open Monday to Friday at the Pahoa Community Center. Hours of operation are 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. weekdays and 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. on Saturdays. Access placards are available at the Civil Defense Office located at 920 Ululani Street in Hilo. We are on watch 24 hours a day for your safety. This is your Hawaii County Civil Defense Agency.